Imagine earning an extra $1,000 or even more every month while you sleep, just by selling AI-generated images and videos you created in minutes. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around because today I'm going to show you exactly how to do this using a platform called Wirestock. And the best part? You don't need to be a professional photographer or artist. If you can type a prompt, you can make money. Today, we're diving deep into Wirestock, a platform that's changing the game for AI creators. So grab a coffee, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. Before starting the video, let me tell you about another way to make money. If you are an influencer or running an AI-generated influencer, then you can make money from day one. I am talking about FanView. It's an AI-powered subscription-based social platform, the best alternative to OF. Here you can monetize your AI-generated or realistic content and earn money from subscriptions. It allows you to connect with your fans through messaging and other features. It's the only platform with AI messaging, voice notes, and analytics, all in one place. To start your money-making journey with FanView, click on Sign Up here. Now you can create an account with your email or connect with your X, Facebook, or Google account. After creating the account, your interface will be like this one. Now click on Start Earning. Now enter your country of residency. After that, you have to verify your identity with KYC verification. Once you've completed verification, you can set up your page and set your subscription rate. The minimum rate is $4 monthly. That means if anyone subscribes to your profile, then you will be paid $4. After that, you can link your other social accounts with FanView. And that's it. You are now a FanView creator. Now you can start uploading your content and start making money with your AI influencer model. Okay, let's get back to the Wirestock. So, what exactly is Wirestock? Think of Wirestock as your AI art agent. It's a platform where you can create, upload, and sell your AI-generated images and videos across multiple stock marketplaces, all from one single dashboard. Here's what makes it special. First, Wirestock distributes your content to the biggest stock platforms in the world. We're talking Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, Getty Images, iStock, FreePic, Deposit Photos, 123RF, Alamy, and over 15 other marketplaces. Second, you don't have to keyword or upload your images to each platform separately. Wirestock does all the heavy lifting for you, the keywording, captioning, and distribution. And third, and this is huge, Wirestock has its own AI image generator built right into the platform. So you can create and sell all in one place. You earn royalties ranging from 65% to 100% on every sale, depending on the marketplace. Alright, let's get you set up. Head over to Wirestock.io. I'll drop the link in the description below. Click on Sign Up, and you can create an account using your email or sign in quickly with Google, Facebook, or even Discord. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your command center where you'll see your earnings, submissions, and all your uploaded content. Now before we start making money, let me show you the amazing AI features that Wirestock offers. These are absolute game changers. First up, the AI image generator. Here's where the magic happens. You simply type in what you want to create. Let me show you. I am entering a ready prompt from my collection. You can access them from the description. After entering the prompt, select the AI model and then the aspect ratio. Once done, hit the generate button and then wait for some time. And boom, Wirestock creates the images. This is really amazing. The quality is honestly impressive. These images are marketplace ready. Now, if you think there is an issue with the image, you can customize it. To do so, click on the Edit button from here. You will find several AI image editing features. If your image has a face, and you want to use your own or a model's face, you can use the Face Swap tool. Once the face is detected, upload the reference face, and then hit the Face Swap button. And here we go, the face is now my model. Next, we have the In-Painting tool. This lets you edit specific parts of your image. Want to add a bird in the sky? Just mark the area you want to change, type what you want in the prompt box, and Wirestock will regenerate just that section. It's like having Photoshop, but powered by AI. Next, the image mixer is super creative. You can blend two completely different images together to create something entirely unique. For example, mix a portrait with a galaxy background. Select your theme, style, and aspect ratio, hit generate, and you've got a one-of-a-kind image that no one else has. Next, we have the Reimagine feature. Upload any image. It could be your own photo, an AI image, or even a sketch, and Wirestock will reimagine it in completely different styles. This is perfect for creating variations and expanding your portfolio quickly. Now here's a problem many AI creators face: low-resolution images. But don't worry, Wirestock has an incredible upscaler built in. Just click Upscale, and within 10 seconds your image is enhanced to super high resolution. The quality is crystal clear, and it's ready to sell. This feature alone is worth the subscription because other upscalers charge separately. Alright, now that you've created some amazing images, let's get them selling. If you created your image using Wirestock's AI generator, you'll see a post button right there. Click it and you'll be taken to the submission page. Here's what you need to do. First, check if there's an active challenge. Wirestock runs daily AI art challenges, where you can win cash prizes ranging from $50 to $1,350. I'll talk more about this in a minute. Second, you can add a caption. Third, select which marketplaces you want to sell on. I recommend selecting all of them to maximize your reach. Hit post and your image is now live on multiple platforms. What if you created images using Midjourney? Click Submit button from dashboard and then select where you want to post. On the next step, you have to upload the image. You can upload from your computer, Google Drive, or even FTP. Select your images and upload them. Now, if your image is too small, just click Upscale and Wirestock will enhance it for you. Then fill in the details. Mark if it's AI generated. Select the AI model you used. Select your marketplaces. Add any relevant event or brand information if applicable. And you're done. Your image is now being distributed to all the major stock platforms. You can also sell AI-generated videos. The process is exactly the same. Upload your video, add the details, and Wirestock will distribute it to video marketplaces like Pond5, Adobe Stock, and Shutterstock. Now let's talk about the different ways you can make money on Wirestock. 1. Marketplace sales. This is the main way. Every time someone downloads your image or video, you earn a royalty. 2. Daily AI challenges. This is exciting. Wirestock runs daily AI art challenges. They give you a theme or prompt, you create an image based on that and submit it. The top 3 winners get cash prizes. We're talking $50 to $100 for daily challenges and up to $1,350 for bigger competitions. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is important. Premium plan, $6.49 per month. The premium plan costs $6.49 per month if you pay annually, or $12.99 if you pay monthly. Premium AI plan, $9.99 per month. The premium AI plan is $9.99 per month annually, or $19.99 monthly. This is the best value if you're serious about making money. Alright, let's wrap this up. Wirestock is honestly one of the best platforms for AI creators right now. It's not just a marketplace. It's an all-in-one solution for creating, editing, and selling your AI art. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more AI money-making tutorials. Drop a comment below and let me know. Have you tried selling AI art before? What's been your experience? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.